How to connect GameSir G7 to Xbox. So you have two options currently. You can try them, of course. The first one is through a provided Type-C wire, which should look something like this. So it's a Type-C and a USB. So basically, it's gonna be this information over here. So use the included Type-C cable to connect the controller to the Xbox console. Then press the Xbox button, which is the one in the middle, briefly to power on. And once connected successfully, the Xbox indicator will remain solid. So basically, just go ahead and connect these point, the USB here and the Type-C port to the controller. Another option is by using a dongle like this, so make sure you connect both controller and Xbox, but the process is somewhat similar. So insert the receiver into the console itself. You can go ahead and try that. Toggle the controller's mode switch to the 2.4G mode, which is this one, and press the Xbox button briefly to power on, then just wait for the controller to connect. Once connected successfully, the Xbox indicator will remain solid. So it's recommended to do this option over here, which is the Type-C wire, since that's usually what works the most. But you can also go ahead and try using a dongle, this one, if it works for you. But that's pretty much a way you can connect the GameSir to your Xbox. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.